Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find and change your username and password for your admin account on WordPress through cPanel. So let's get right into it. As you'll see, currently I'm on Quora, that being because I don't have the money, neither the interest in subscribing to cPanel. I'm not running my site on WordPress, so I don't need it, so I'll just be using this as a solution because I can't access it, and of course it's way too expensive to just buy for these tutorials, so I do apologize. However, there is an answer here on Quora, and as you can see, it is by the bot assistant, which is kind of weird to use it because AI can notoriously be incorrect. However, after going through all the solutions, this is the best one by far that I have found. Most of the users agree with it, and it is quite easy to follow. Now, I'll be mentioning the first method. As you see, there is several other methods. However, I'll just be going through this one since it is the easiest to get. So what you need to do first is log into cPanel using your account. Then you need to go into phpMyAdmin and go into the database section to find it. And then you need to select your database, which is usually wp-config.php, and you need to search the directory for the database name by define and then the database name and your database name. So you should find this, and then you'll find your database. And yeah, once you find that, you then need to find your users table for your WordPress site, which is usually _users, or it ends with _users. The prefix is usually wp_, so wp_users should be the table you're looking for. If not, just go through all of your users databases, and then you should find the one that you need. Then you need to edit the user by just clicking on the users table. You just need to find your admin username and just click edit right next to it to start editing the username. The password change is pretty much similar. You just need to click on the user pass field. You just need to select MD5 as the function from the drop down. You must use this to ensure the password is hashed correctly, and then just enter the new password in the value field. Then you just need to save changes, and once you do, you can then use your new password to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.